Hey, I'm gonna show you my favorite warm-up exercise. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Alright, now I'm going to show you what I did here. Alright, so what you do is go to the first fret, and you're going to use your index finger to hit that first note. And then you're going to use your middle finger to hit the second fret. And then you're going to use your ring finger to hit the third fret. And then you're going to use your pinky to hit the fourth fret. So it's going to look like this. Alright, now you're going to do the exact same thing from the second string from the top. So it's going to look like this. Then you're going to go one string lower. Again, it's going to look like this. Alright, let's combine the two now. From the top. Alright, and you can guess what's next after this. You go to the string below that one. Alright, so what's going to happen after that? You go to the third string from the bottom. And then again, it's going to go to the second string from the bottom. And then the last string from the bottom. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Alright, from here, all you have to do is slide over to the 5th fret, and that's what you're going to hit. And then you're just going to reverse it now. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to show you that again. One more time. And then you're going to go to the string above it with your pinky first. It's from the 5th fret, same fret. Alright, let's combine the two now. Again. And you can guess what's next. It's going to be the G string. And then again, the string from the above that. And then above that. And then above that. There you go. So here we go. So this is what it's going to look like if you combine them two. Alright, from here on out, after you end on the index finger on the second fret, you can actually slide over again on the 3rd fret, and then you can do the exact same thing. And then you can guess what's next. You slide it down again. And then it continues as long as you can keep going down the scale.